Okay, so I decided to show you all a new trick that my dog likes to do. Let's see if we can find my dog. There she is. There's Carly. Alright, now watch this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a laser light on the floor. And she just goes nuts with it. Yeah, you probably can't see the light, but she does. And I'll make it disappear, and she just looks, and then it'll come back. Get it, Carly! Get it! Get it! Carly, it's behind you! Get it! Carly, look, there it is! Carly, get it! Get it, Carly! And we just sit here and tease her for just, I don't know, for the longest time, and she just never stops. Go get it! Carly, go get it! Go get it! Carly! It's over here! And she swears she can eat it and smell it. And I just think it's the funniest thing. Get it, Carly! Get it! Does it taste good? Does it taste good? And all it is a little laser pointer. Carly, it's on your foot! It's on your foot! Get it! Anyway, I just thought that was worth showing because she's so funny. Anyway. Alright, well that's my video for right now. I'm going to stop recording because she's probably getting aggravated.